In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bounced sessions in Looker Studio using your GA4 data. This tutorial will help you integrate a valuable metric into your data analysis toolkit. But first, let's clarify what we mean by bounced sessions. In Google Analytics 4, a bounced session is quite distinct. It refers to sessions that didn't engage users according to specific criteria. To be classified as a bounce, a session must satisfy all of these conditions. It must last less than 10 seconds, include fewer than 2 page or screen views, and not trigger any key events. Essentially, these are the sessions where a visitor visits your site without significant interaction. Understanding this concept is key, since it can provide insights into user engagement and content effectiveness on your site. Now let's dive into how you can add bounced sessions within Looker Studio. The option we'll focus on is adding it at the data source level. This method allows for reusability, meaning you can utilize it across different charts and reports that draw from this data source. Here's how you do it. First, open up your Looker Studio report. Once you're in, navigate to the top menu and select Resource. From the drop-down, choose Manage Added Data Sources. This is where you'll handle the connection to your GA4 data. Locate your GA4 data source and click on Edit. This step gives you the flexibility to modify its configuration. Next, to define a bounced sessions metric, click on the Add a Field option. This is where you get to customize your data further. You'll need to give this field a name, so let's call it Bounced Sessions, a straightforward label that will keep things organized. Now you need to set up the formula that calculates bounced sessions. You can achieve this by using sessions minus engaged sessions. This formula will compute the number of sessions that didn't meet the engagement criteria we discussed earlier. Once you've entered the formula, it's important to set the data type for this new metric to number. Doing this ensures that the bounced sessions are correctly displayed as a count, an essential detail for accurate data representation. Finally, click the Save button to apply the changes. By doing so, you've successfully added bounced sessions as a metric. This new metric is now available for you to utilize across any charts or reports tied to this particular data source. With these steps completed, you've added a layer of depth to your data analysis in Looker Studio by understanding user behavior more comprehensively. Adding bounced sessions gives you a clearer picture of visitor interaction, which can inform your strategies moving forward. Congratulations on enhancing your analytical capabilities.